you. Welcome everyone. We are on to Power Automate Flow portal and we will create an automated flow. Flow name would be whenever a case is resolved, and we can name it as test. And trigger would be when a record is updated in CDS. So connector would be CDS and trigger would be update. Selecting it and create. We will select the environment as current and the entity would be cases. I'm assuming we have little bit knowledge on Power Automate, how it is created, what are the steps and actions. Now we want our Power Automate to trigger when the case status equal to resolved. We will add a condition here saying that status code should be equal to 2, that is our option set value for resolve. And whenever it is true, it will redirect us to the yes section, and otherwise it will redirect us to the no section. But the issue here would be each time our case would be updated, this Power Automate will trigger, it will check the condition, and based on that it will redirect us to the new no section or the yes section. And for sure we don't want that. We don't want this Power Automate to trigger each time our case is updated. So what we will do, we'll delete that and we'll go to the settings. Under setting we have something like trigger condition. Here we will add an expression that whenever the case is resolved, then only this particular Power Automate will be triggered. We already created an Power Automate flow. We will go back and open the existing one. So we added some more action here, like get contact record from the case. That contact would be the one to whom we are going to send the invitation link. On the second, we have create an invitation. It has all the same feature as send a survey, but it doesn't have the email template. It has all the mapping available for the variable and all, same as send a survey. So this particular invite action creates an invitation record in CRM. If you check the entity structure of CRM, you will find this is stored under survey invite entity of CRM. So our last action would be send an email. We would be attaching the invitation link onto the body, going to the dynamic content and invite link. So each invite link would be unique for a recipient. Saving the Power Automate. While testing, we identified an issue. Our state code reason was mapped wrong here. It should be 1 as a value. Changing it and saving it again, and we will test it. Coming back to our record, we will resolve this case, giving the type and resolution and resolve. Our flow ran successfully and it created an invite and sent the invitation also. We will go to our email box and fill up the survey which was received. This is the email we received. We could have used the hyperlink here, but we will select this and go to the URL. You will see the case number has appeared it correctly as per CRM. We can go back to CRM and check the value is correct or not. The ID is same in both, so that's good. Now we will fill up the form and submit. This particular message is editable from the Forms Pro. We can edit it there. Now we are in the CRM to see the response has received. Yes, in the activity we can see the response, and if we go to the activity section, there also we can see the response. Clicking on the response and we have an iframe here. This iframe is from Forms Pro portal itself. All the question response will be available in this grid. We have contest data, all the variable data would be here, and same can be stored in question response using the JSON parser onto the Power Automate. So that's all for this video. In next part, we will be creating an anonymous survey and embedding that survey onto the website. Thank you.